Hello students, I welcome back to all. In the previous lecture, we have learned about material sources and written sources. Now we are going to learn about oral sources and audio-visual sources. Now let's see about oral sources. Dear students, oral sources means the compositions which are passed on from one generation to the other by way of information or rote learning and which are not in written form are called the oral sources of history. Folk songs, povadas, ovids, inspirational songs, folk tales, etc. are included in oral sources. Then fairs and jalsa are also included in oral sources. The aim of oral sources was to entertain, inspire and create vitality in the society. Dear students, do you know what is folk song? Folk song means the song which is written by the common people. Folk means common people. City of New Orleans is sung by Stu Goodman. If I Had Hammer, Early Morning Rain are the examples of folk song. Now let's see about inspirational songs. Inspirational song means the songs that motivate us into action, the songs that remind us about the beauty of life are known as inspirational songs. Various or many inspirational songs were composed during the period of freedom movement. At present, some of these songs are available in written form. But my dear students, many other inspirational songs were not published. They were memorized by freedom fighters. See the screen. There is a song sung by freedom fighter, that is, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा. Through these inspirational songs, we can get information about the conditions during pre-independence period. Dear students, now we are going to learn about povada. What is povada? Povada is a traditional Marathi ballad that traces its history to more than 750 years. It is written in an exciting style and it narrates historical events in an inspiring way. Now, dear students, povada is a source to get information about a historical event or the work of a person. Various povadas are composed on freedom struggle of 1857. These povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. Some povadas are composed on Shivaji Maharaj and Tanaji Malusare. These povadas are also famous today. Apart from freedom movement, some povadas were composed based on the work of Satyashodak Samaj. for awakening among the oppressed classes. Now, my dear students, we are going to learn about audio visual sources. Here, photographs, films, and recordings are the sources of audio visual sources in the history. Let's see about photographs. Photographs are visual source of modern Indian history. Photograph of various persons, events, objects, structure, places was clicked. Through these photographs, we get information of a person or an event in a visual format. The students see the screen. There is a photograph of Mahatma Gandhi and Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It gives us information about the physical features and dressing style. The photograph of a person gives information about the physical features and dressing style. Photograph of an event give a visual image of event. Now let's see about recordings. Recording is a form of audio source of history. The speeches of leaders or important personalities, songs, etc. are available in the form of recording. They can be used as a source of history. Dear students, the national anthem which you sung every day in your school assembly, that is Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata, which is sung by Rabindranath Tagore himself. This is the example of recording. Now let's see about films. Films are considered as a unique discovery of modern technology. There was a great development in the technique of film making in the 20th century. Dadasaheb Phalke in the year 1913, he laid the foundation of Indian film industry. Apart from this, Dandi Yatra, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India movement and such other historical incidents are available. These are the examples of audio visual sources. So, my dear students, write down the notes in the notebook and solve the worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.